Now that Christmas is over, the yearly question returns. What to do with your Christmas tree? You can of course throw it away, or if you have a zoo near you, you could donate it for the elephants to eat, if it is an untreated organic one. Or of course, you could eat it. Let's start with the easiest first, the needles. You can take off just a small part of one of the branches, the scissors, like so, and put it into your teacup, and then you have tasty and healthy pine needle tea. Another delicious option for the needles is making pesto. Delicious! You really get the taste of the pine forest. And now let's see if we find some good use for the bark. I brought another tree with me, and let's remove the branches first. There, it's already peeling off, but let's collect it. So there's the bark. Let's try to make some cookies with it. Here are the cookies. In my opinion, they taste at least as good as gingerbread. Below the bark there is another layer which is perfectly edible. It's called the Cambium and it tastes delicious. You just remove it like so. And you can taste it as is, which is a natural chewing gum. Or, even better, you can make chips from it. Crunchy, tasty, and it really beats every potato chip. And believe it or not, you can even use the wood itself. Together with a few other ingredients, you get delicious bread. And best of all, the bread pairs perfectly with the pesto. And for the brave of you, you could even combine the cookies with the pesto. So did you ever think that it's possible that you can eat all parts of your Christmas tree?